What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Build-A-Bitch by Bella-Poarch. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll suplex that ass and seismic toss you into the fucking airwaves. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the 3rd fret. If you need a free capo, I have a link to one in the video description, as well as if you need the guitar chord diagrams and the guitar tab, there's links for all of that in the video description, the free capo, guitar tab, and the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So if you need any of those, jump into the video description once you get done, they're there for you. First chord we're gonna need is going to be a D minor. It's gonna be middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the high E. And then your second chord is going to be a G, but all you need from this chord is just your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, because we're just playing that string, and then D, G, and B. So all you need is your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E. Then we're going to go to a C major, which is ring finger 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger 2nd fret on the D string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And then finally an A7. Keep your middle finger where it's at on the 2nd fret of the D, and then put your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. Once you get the chords down, I'll show you the picking pattern. You're going to start with the D minor, and you're going to pick the D string with your thumb, G string with your index finger, and then B and E at the same time with your middle and your ring finger. And then mute. Then go to your G, just your ring finger on the 3rd fret, pick low E, D, and then G and B at the same time, and mute. So that's thumb, index, middle and ring, mute on E, D, G, B. And then C, you're picking the exact same way, except your thumb is picking the A string now. So that's A, D, G, and B at the same time. And then the same exact picking pattern for your A7. So all together slowly it looks like. And now at the end of the chorus and at the end of the verses, you can hear when like the music kind of stops, they're just staying on the C chord and letting it ring before it jumps into the picking pattern again. So that just looks like just picking all the strings, all the A, D, G, and B at the same time and just letting it ring. So all together it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.